Hello everyone. We will speak about hlookup. hlookup stands for horizontal lookup and it can be used to retrieve information from table by searching a row of the matching data and outputting from the corresponding column. While vlookup searches for the value in column, hlookup searches for the value in row. We will press formals and will insert and choose hlookup. Lookup value I want this lookup value I want to search here. Lookup value. Okay, table array we will search about here in this table. Row index number I will choose number 3, and range lookup I will choose 0 and will press enter. So I have result. So a March Hani sells 2145. So it is hlookup. So we will try another month. Okay, we will try here. We will insert formals, insert function hlookup, and lookup value we will choose Jan, and we table array we will choose this table. Row index number we will choose number 2. Range lookup we will choose 0 and press OK. So we have this number. It is January. Ahmed sells 656. Thank you for watching and